Belly for sharing more updates. While a container of the Liberia flagged container vessel MSC Elsa 3 has sank off Kochi on the 24th of May, washed ashore at Kollam coast and is being removed. The vessel carried over 600 containers and had raised severe concerns of an oil spill as 13 of the containers contained hazardous material. However, the defense sources have assured that no oil spill from the cargo vessel its way to the state's shore, while the Indian Coast Guard is closely managing and observing the oil spill. Arzu Seth is joining me with more updates. Arzu, defense sources about the sinking of the ship of the Kochi coast have given out a statement. Break it down for our viewers and add more information as more than 30 containers ashore.
Well, yes, the Liberian flagged cargo vessel MSC and ELSA 3 sank off the coast of Kochi on May 25 and resulting in an ongoing cleanup efforts. Also, a salvage firm has been deployed to assess the number of cargo container that fell into the sea and remove debris from the sunken ship. Also, one container from the vessel has already washed ashore at Kollam coast and is being removed. Officials are monitoring the situation to prevent any potential environmental or safety hazards. The Indian Coast Guard has confirmed that the oil spill from the ship fuel is being managed and no oil has reached the Kerala coastline. The MSC ELSA 3 was carrying over 640 containers, including 13 with hazardous cargo. Unfortunately, no container with hazardous material have been found near the coast so far. And it's still, there has been a cleanup that is going on. All 24 crew members were rescued by the ICG and Navy after the vessel capsized. Kerala's Minister for Disaster Management highlighted the challenge, of lifting the capsized vessel and removing debris from the international shipping channel. So yes, right now what is happening is the lifting, the removing of the debris is taking place of the vessel, but it is a challenging that is being said. Also, the salvage firm will work to clear the debris and cargo container from the sea, ensuring the safe navigation of the shipping challenge and minimizing environmental impact. Yes, Amrit.
All right. Thank you very much, Arzu, for sharing more updates and, in fact, giving us more information. Now, the Chief of the Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, has